Hi, it's Kim from Ocean Vayu Yoga. We are going to do a nice standing flow today. So let's come to the top of our mat. Bring your hands by your sides. Ground your feet down into the earth and find that equal balance front to back, side to side. And then go ahead and lift your toes, spread them wide, and gently put them back down on your mat. Small little pulling in of your belly. Pull your shoulders back, lift your heart. Now flip your palms to face away from you. Spread your fingers, close your eyes, and we'll take a couple of nice deep breaths right here. As you inhale, feel your chest expand, and as you exhale, feel it release. As you inhale, feel your rib cage expand. And as you exhale, feel it release. Again, as you inhale, maybe feel that breath come all the way up to lift your collarbones. And exhale, feel it release. Take one more big, deep breath. Exhale, slowly let that breath out. Now inhale, reach your arms all the way up to the sky. And exhale, we're going to fold all the way forward, hinging at our hips. Folding down, little baby bend in your knees. Let your head relax. Arms can be wherever they're comfortable. On your shins, on your thighs, on the floor, on a block. And then gently give your head a little shake side to side. Up and down. Yes and no. And then we'll come back to stillness, letting our arms dangle down towards the earth. A slight pull in on your belly. Bend more into your knees. Round your back and rise all the way up. Again, palms come up. Maybe they connect overhead. And exhale, bring them down to your heart. Drop your chin. Take a full deep breath. Exhale, arms come down. Inhale, they sweep all the way up. Exhale, take them out to the sides as we fold all the way back down. This time we're going to come to a flat back. Hands can come to shins or thighs. Look forward. Pull your shoulders back. Take a full breath here. And exhale, fold back down. Bend into your knees. Round all the way back up. Maybe palms connect overhead depending on your shoulders. And exhale, bringing your hands down to your heart. One more time, just like that. Big deep breath. Exhale, arms sweep down all the way back up. Exhale, arms out to the sides and fold, baby bend in your knees. Inhale, we come to a flat back. Look forward, pull your shoulders back. Stay for another deep breath. And exhale, fold back down, bend into your knees, round all the way up. Palms connect. This time we're going to exhale into cactus arms. Push your hips forward, bend at your elbows, gazes up, pull your belly in. Stay for another breath. Exhale it out, and then hands back to your heart. Take a nice deep breath here. Exhale it out. Now inhale, separate your feet a little wider apart. We're going to open up our arms, spread our fingers, lift our hearts up towards the sky, and on the exhale, we're going to round our back, bring hands to heart, bend into our knees. Inhale, we open. Exhale, hands to heart, bend into your knees. 3 more times. Inhale. And exhale. 2 more times. Last one. Good, and then we'll straighten our legs, keep hands at heart, pull shoulders back, and take a nice deep breath here. And exhale it out. Separate your feet a little wider still. Turn your toes to point slightly out to the corners of your mat. Bring your hands down to your knees. Inhale, lift your heart, lift your gaze, lift your tailbone back behind you. Exhale, round your back, round your shoulders forward, tuck your tailbone under. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, round. 3 more. Move with your breath 2 more times. Last one. And we'll find a neutral spine right here. On our next inhale, we're going to lift our right arm all the way up to the sky and make a little rainbow shape right over our head. Breathing right here, feeling that nice stretch all through the right side of your body. One more deep breath. And exhale, release that hand down. Other side, we inhale, lift that left arm up and over. Make a little rainbow shape over your head. Breathe deep into your side body. And exhale, release back down. Go ahead and bend deeper into your knees, round your back all the way up, sweep your arms all the way up. From here, we're coming into star pose. So we take our arms nice and wide, spread your fingers. Now lift your toes, spread them wide, drop them back down, pull your belly in, lift your heart, lift your gaze. 3 deep breaths right here. Last one. And exhale, hands come down to your heart and bend into your knees. Inhale, come back to your star. Exhale, hands come down. Bend deep into your knees. Inhale. And exhale. 2 more. Last one. Perfect. And then we'll straighten our legs, bring hands to heart, close eyes for a moment, and just breathe. 3 deep breaths right here. Maybe you can begin to feel that little bit of energy or prana running through your bodies from our movement with breath. Last breath right here. And exhale that breath out. Heel toe your feet back together. We're coming back to the top of our mat. We're going to inhale, sweep our arms all the way up. Exhale, bend into your knees. Bring your hands down to your heart and step your right foot back behind you. Drop that heel down on a 45. Square your shoulders to the front of your mat. Reach your arms high and come into Warrior One pose. Find your breath right here, reaching fingers high, grounding your feet down into the earth. One more big deep breath. Exhale it out. Now we're going to open our arms up, out to the sides, palms face up, shoulder height. Pull your belly in just a tad. Take another deep breath. Exhale it out, and then we reach forward, coming to the tippy toes of our back foot. Inhale, open. Exhale, reach forward. Inhale, open. Exhale, reach forward. 2 more times. Last one. And then from here, we're going to step that back foot forward, challenging our balance, coming right into our chair pose. Take as much time as you need, and if you stumble, it's okay. 3 deep breaths in our chair pose. And exhale, hands come to your heart. Take a nice deep breath. And exhale it out. Inhale. Exhale, arms come down. Inhale them all the way back up. Bend into your knees. Hands come down to your heart for the left side. Take your left foot, send it back behind you. Drop that heel down on a 45. Square your shoulders. Reach your arms high for warrior one on the other side. 5 deep breaths. Reaching fingers, grounding feet down into the earth. 2 more deep breaths. On your exhale, open up your arms out to the sides, palms face up, gaze up. Take another breath here. Exhale it out and inhale, reach your arms forward, come to your tippy toes of your back foot. Inhale, open. Exhale, reach forward. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. And we come forward. Hold for a moment, get your balance. Bring that back foot forward. And again, it's okay if you stumble. And then arms come up a tad for our chair pose. 3 deep breaths. And hands come back to heart. Close your eyes for a moment. Find your breath. And again, see if you can connect to that little bit of buzz of energy known as prana. Take another full deep inhale here. Exhale it out. We're going to bend back into our knees, stepping our right foot back, coming into warrior two. This time we turn our toes out to the side of the mat. Bring our arms to a T. Soft gaze over your left middle finger. One more deep breath. From here, peaceful warrior. We send our right arm down our straight leg, flip the palm of our left hand, and reach that arm all the way up and over. Keep the deep bend in your front knee. If you've lost it, bring it back. You can take your gaze up towards the sky if that works for you. Last full breath. Exhale it out. Arms come back to your T, and then we're going to make our way back to the top of our mat. A little bend in your knees and a little hop, or heel toe your feet together. If you like, you can give a little shake. Maybe a little helicopter spin is a nice reset. And then we'll come back to the top of our mat. Inhale our arms up. Exhale, hands come down to our hearts. The baby bend in your knees. Step your left foot back behind you. Turn your toes out to the side. Arms can come to a T. Soft gaze over your right middle finger, finding your breath right here. Last full breath. Exhale it out, sending your left hand down your back leg. Flip the palm of your right hand, reach that arm all the way up and over. Maybe gaze is up. You can also take your gaze down towards the ground. Arms come back to a T. Take a full breath. Exhale it out and step or hop to the top. Bring hands right to heart. Take a nice deep breath and exhale it out. One more nice full deep inhale here. Exhale it out. Release your arms down to the ground. Inhale them all the way up. You're going to take your right hand, grab hold of your left wrist, and reach your arms over. And then we'll come back to center switch. So now the left hand grabs hold of the right wrist, pull yourselves over. Find another deep breath. And exhale, release. Bring hands back down to heart. If you'd like, you can take Shavasana laying down. I'm Pumpkin. If you'd like, you can take Shavasana lying down. You can take Shavasana in a chair. You can also just stand here for another couple moments and breathe with your eyes closed.
Why do you do yoga? Why do you do yoga?
To be healthier.
Mom, now do the downward dog.
You could do downward dog if you'd like, Pumpkin.
You too.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you all have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you so much. If you wouldn't mind, please hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. It really helps to propel us forward to do more videos. Thank you so much. Peace and love.
Mom. Oh, a little heart.